Two of my sauces that I'm actually releasing in May. If you got to take the lid off, take the lid off, Mr. Eddie.
Which one of those hot? The one he got?
The one he has. That's the mango habanero, and it's real. It's made with real mangoes. So.
What?
Oh, don't you
Help
butt
yourself. Help yourself.
Ooh.
Okay, boss lady, go ahead and tell her where the fire is.
That's hot.
Oh no, don't do hot.
Okay, everything.
What's this?
That's cayenne pepper.
Oh no, don't do that either.
That is lemon pepper. That right there is a rub. It's a rub by itself.
Where's the barbecue, Antonio?
My barbecue sauce is right behind you. Homemade barbecue sauce. Everything is made. Do not grab the brown bottle if you don't like spicy.
Burn your mouth.
That cayenne's not too bad. The spice is enough for a kick, but not to like burn the crap out of your
It's
nostrils.
sweet. It's sweet and hot.
See, that sweet catch you first.
Hey.
That sweet catch you first. Oh, try my drink. I made the drink as well.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
I pay for this.
Strawberry mango sauce.
Appreciate that, Eddie.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Truly. The drink is a strawberry pineapple mango drink.
I don't like mango.
It's tropical.
Ooh, I
Everything.
love
I love my tropical.
Ooh.
You like mango?
So which one was this?
Taste the sauce.
No. So this
No.
one
Hey.
was before, I think.
Yeah, but you taste the sweet and the spicy.
It's hot.
It's perfect.
That one, it is actually the rub. It's just a rub itself. I created my own little rub to add to it. That's the rub, and lemon lime with the rub base.
Let's open a restaurant, man.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
This is fire.
What is it we called?
Let's do it. We can make it
That's what
happen.
it should be called. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm sorry.
I'm pushing through it.
Sorry. This is bomb, man. Thank you.
Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Help yourself. Help yourself.
Okay, I'm done.
You hadn't tasted my sauce, Miss Darby.
Okay, which one?
The red one. Try the red one.
This one?
Yeah, try that sauce. That sauce is nice, tangy,
It's good.
It's not spicy.
not spicy.
Nice.
It's perfect.
Cool.
Darby, I've had deja vu with you
You
saying
made
not
that?
spicy.
All from scratch. Everything from scratch.
From what?
It was your voice. I just heard it though. It said not spicy. It was like before. It was weird. Like you ever get those deja vus?
Try it.
Are you
sure it's hot?
taping us?
You sure it's hot?
My wife said she couldn't be here, so she wanted me to take.
Yes, sir.
That's good stuff.
See, I use real mango, so it might not be coming through the thing, because I did use real mango with that sauce.
I guess it don't want to come out.
Tell
You
your
can
wife
take the
it's-
top off and
a little
dab with
spicy.
your son.
I can't eat that.
Okay, it's better than Sweet Baby Ray's.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that, because that's actually my competition.
Get out of here.
Is it?
Yes.
When are you releasing it?
In May.
Okay.
In May. I,
You want to know.